Hi, today is 23rd of March. My dog had got lost, ran away yesterday morning, about 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. And cop found him, Nassau cop, and Valley Stream. Took him to the Elmont Hospital where I take the dog. Elmont Hospital did not call me. Mind you, I'm retired disability. I'm at home. I went to my class, my physical therapy, and my blood work. And I was home by before 12, and they saying at 1:35 they gave me this letter here of attention. And my animal hospital, Elmont Animal Hospital, located on Elmont Road in Elmont, New York, which is about 10 minutes away from me, or even less by car. They should have called me, because they have the tag, the rabies tag with the numbers on them that they give my dog every year when he get his shots. But instead, they call these guys at town of Hempstead Animal Shelter over here on Beltag Avenue in Wantong, New York. It's right here. They refused to give me the dog. They refused to say their mistake. They should have looked on their database when they came, called, and noticed that I was close by. I could have came and got my dog. Now I got to pay $75, and Elmont Hospital should pay that for not calling me. Now I got to pay $75. I'm ready to go in here now. It's 9 o'clock, they open. But I seen people going in there before 9 o'clock. Right now, 2 minutes to 9. And the manager in there, he refused to tell me the name of people hired him that could make a decision. And that person was Guy. His name is Guy. He's a manager here. So, here to pick up my dog. And my dog had to go underneath unnecessary stress, because I know he lost his bark, because he was here before. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm coming here to pick up my dog.
Okay. I'll just need to see some ID, please. Thanks. Okay, so what am I doing?
So
Do I go to outcome?
4468. You're at 4468. You have to go to 4468.
Would you just excuse me while I go get my spectacles?
So you can see.
I know what it means.
Yeah.